Just got these hiking boots sent to me. First impression, wow, I love the look of them. I went true to size, so these are a 9.5. Look at the tread on the bottom, really good tread. The laces have the two-tone in there. Good padding as well throughout. Looks like you get some extra laces as well, and then a little bit of that high top to it. Mine are on and ready. I did wear a thicker sock because I found that they felt a little loose without a thicker sock on, and I really tightened the laces on these to accommodate my foot. I guess I might have a more narrow foot. Also, they're waterproof, score. So now let's go try them out on a hike. These have been absolutely fabulous hiking shoes. The grip on them is really good. They're very sturdy, especially on uneven paths like this one. Fit perfect, like so comfortable. They fit true to size, and I am loving them. I know you're gonna love them as well.